Take it up, auto hover.
This is awesome.
Oh fuck.
I have my throttle all the way back right now.
I don't know how you are maintaining maneuverability. Hey, you're getting out of sight. You might want to come back.
Hang on.
This crate takes a while to turn.
What? Shit.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Up.
I can't really see anything.
Oh, you're doing this without a cockpit, aren't you?
No, I have a cockpit, but I just can't see anything because I have an engine in my way. And I just bounced off the ground. Oh god. Oh,
End of the line.
that was beautiful. I want to see this video.
I think we figured out why so many Ospreys are lost in training accidents.
Because the pilots get bored and pack them in flight.
I think it's because every pilot thinks, what if? And then they do it.